So, dear students, today in this video, we are going to understand your class 9th English Beehive, lesson number 4, a truly beautiful mind. So, this is the first part of that lesson. Okay. And who you think a truly beautiful mind? So, in this whole story, we'll be coming to know about Albert Einstein, about his life, about his past, about his what happened, how he became so famous, what specialty does he was having. Okay, so enjoy it. So as the story begins, Albert Einstein was born on 14 March 1879 in the German city of Ulm without any indication that he was destined for greatness. On the contrary, his mother thought Albert was a freak. To her, his head seemed much too large. So, when was Albert Einstein born? He was born on 14th March 1879 in German city of उसका जन्म जर्मन के एक कोपल नाम के शहर में 14 मार्च 1879 में हुआ था और उसको कोई इंडिकेशन कोई इस तरीके की कोई संभावना नहीं थी कि कहीं से किसी को नजर आए कि ये बहुत आगे जाके बड़ा व्यक्ति या बहुत फेमस व्यक्ति बनेगा बल्कि इसकी मम्मी क्या सोचती थी हम सबकी मम्मी बहुत अच्छा सोचती है हमारे बारे में लेकिन इसकी मम्मी क्या सोचती थी कि अल्बर्ट वाज अ फ्री टू हर हिज हेड सीम्ड मच टू लार्ज तो वो सोचती थी कि अल्बर्ट एक तरीके का फ्रीक है मतलब freak we can say a word which is used to disapprovingly to talk about a person कि वो एकदम पागल है अनयूजुअल टाइप से है कब क्या कर दे कुछ पता नहीं है और उनको लगता था कि उनका उसका जो सर है वो कुछ ज्यादा ही बड़ा है. At the age of 2.5, Einstein still wasn't talking. When he finally did learn to speak, he uttered everything twice. Einstein did not know what to do with other children, and his playmates called him Brother Boring. So, the youngster played by himself much of the time. He especially loved mechanical toys, looking at his newborn sister Maza. He said to have said, "Fine, but where are the wheels?" So, till the age of 2.5 साल की उम्र तक आइंस्टाइन ने किसी से बात नहीं की. Okay, he कुछ नहीं बोला, कोई वर्ड नहीं बोला, लेकिन जैसे ही उसने बोलना शुरू किया तो क्या करता था वो हर चीज को 2 बार बोलता था. हाँ हाँ, नहीं नहीं, मुझे खाना है. तो लाइक दैट ही यूज्ड टू अटर वर्ड ट्वाइस. वो दो बार चीजों को बोलता था. कई बार हमसे भी व्हेन वी आर नर्वस में it happens with us. So when slowly Einstein started to grow, we all grow. हम सब बढ़ते हैं, अपने सर्कल बढ़ता है, आसपास के लोगों के साथ में खेलना शुरू करते हैं. सो आइंस्टाइन के साथ में प्रॉब्लम थी, उसको नहीं पता था कि जो साथ के बच्चे हैं उनके साथ क्या करना, उनके साथ कैसे खेलना है. सो those people they started calling him brother boring because उसको पता नहीं है क्या करना है, कैसे खेलना है, क्या बात करनी है, क्या नहीं करनी है. So people they started getting bored with him. उसके साथ में बोर रहते तो they started calling him brother boring. And because of that, what happened? Albert Einstein started to play by himself. वो अपने अकेले में ही अपने ही अकेली दुनिया में मस्त रहता था, खुश रहता था. Now, and especially he loved mechanical toys, especially boys, robots, electronic cars, electronic items, all those things. So the same thing was with Einstein. And there's one incident which is being shared that when his sister was born, sister name was Masa, and she was born. So ही सेड उसने बोला कि अच्छा चलो ठीक है ये सब तो सही है ठीक है लेकिन इसके पहिए का ही वाज टू मच इनटू द मैकेनिकल टॉयज दोस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कार्स और items that he asked for wheels or he asked that why his sister is not having wheels. Okay, fine. So moving further into his story, A headmaster once told his father that what Einstein chose as a profession wouldn't matter because he will never make a success at anything. Einstein began learning to play the violin at the age of 6 because his mother wanted him. He later became a gifted amateur violinist, maintaining his skill throughout his life. So many times, your teachers, class teachers, would have said, "You are good for nothing, कुछ नहीं कर सकते, किसी काबिल नहीं हो, किसी काम के नहीं हो." The same thing happened with Einstein also. That used to, because of our activities, people used to assume, but we are the people who can prove them wrong. So the same thing happened with Einstein also. His headmaster once told that whatsoever profession कुछ भी करे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, क्यों? क्योंकि किसी भी चीज में उसको सक्सेस, उसको जो एक फेम है या उसको जो एक कामयाबी है वो नहीं मिलने वाली, तो वो कुछ भी करे उससे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. एंड देन इट इज बीइंग सेड दैट एट द एज ऑफ 6 साल की उम्र में उसने वायलिन बजाना सीखना शुरू किया. दैट वाज नॉट हिज इंटरेस्ट, उसका इंटरेस्ट नहीं था, लेकिन उसकी मम्मी चाहती थी, इसीलिए. नाउ दिस इज अ वेरी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर यू when during this pandemic, it's a lockdown. So they start playing some music or learning some music. I know few of the students, they used to go for guitar classes. So when you are not going or something is happening, so something is there, you can start learning by yourself. A lot of YouTube channels are there, a lot of platforms are there where you can learn all these skills, all these talents you can learn. So I just remember one of my friend from South India. He is now eighth grade guitar player. He has done eighth grade, and all those learnings, all those skills, what he has achieved. He did not went to any music school or music college somewhere. He didn't had some professional teacher to learn. But just by looking on YouTube, getting into YouTube, he started learning. तो हम वहाँ से सीख सकते हैं. So the same way, Albert Einstein started to play violin at the age of 6, and that was not his choice to learn, but मम्मी ने बोला है तो करना है. And after learning, after years, he became a gifted violinist and and he maintained this skill of playing music throughout his life. But Albert Einstein was not a bad kid. एक वो खराब बच्चा या एक शैतान बच्चा नहीं था. He went to high school in Munich, where Einstein's family had moved when he was 15 months old. तो उसकी जो उसकी शुरुआती पढ़ाई हुई, that happened in Munich. And we have seen he was born in German city, Ulm, but now in Munich is there. Why? Because his family got shifted from that city to this city when Albert Einstein was just 15 months old. And Albert Einstein was a normal student and scored good marks in all the subjects. But one thing was that Einstein hated the school's regimentation. What is regimentation? Now, regimentation is a discipline like of thing. Okay? लाइन से चलना है, उठना है, बैठना है, खड़े होना है, ये करना है, वो करना है, एकदम डिसिप्लिन. So he used to have hate that thing. You should be let live as a children. Okay. So because of that, he used to often had clashed with his teachers. At the age of 15, Einstein felt so stifled, इतना suffocated या इतना झुंझला गया स्कूल के सिस्टम से, that he decided to leave the school for good. तो उसने सोचा कि मुझे अगर मैं स्कूल में रहूंगा तो मेरा नुकसान है, ठीक है। तो उसने उस भले के लिए स्कूल को क्या करा, छोड़ दिया। सो मे बी अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन दैट टाइम वुड हैव थॉट, काश स्कूल बंद होते, and his prayers at that time have been heard now. We are sitting at home, teachers are teaching at home, you students learning at home, नो डिसिप्लिन, आप लेट के पढ़ो, बैठ के पढ़ो, खड़े के पढ़ो, कान में ईयरफोन लगा के पढ़ो, कैसे भी पढ़ो, लेकिन पढ़ो। ओके, गुड।